Well, we've got a special problem taking place here at the Panama farm. We've got about 500 chickens, egg layers. Now, almost 200 of them have been laying for a year, and we've got another 300 coming online in 2 months. And so we're going to have a ton of eggs. That's great because the poor need protein. When you're seriously poor and malnourished, you go to rice and you go to roots and you go to whatever you can find to eat. And that does not make a nutritious meal or a very happy body. So protein's very important, and eggs are the deal. We've got a small problem in Panama because of this crazy inflation taking place. The price of chicken food just keeps going up, up, up. And so we used to be able to buy 100 pounds of chicken food, commercial chicken food, which is the good stuff. It's called pornadora. And it's the good mix that causes the chickens to lay eggs and be very healthy and happy. And then, of course, these girls go out and they forage during the daytime after they're through laying. But the price is now from 25. It's just hit 30, and the guys told me get ready for $33. And then, of course, 35, and then 40, and then 45, and it just keeps going up. Well, at some point we cry uncle because we're not here to sell eggs. We do sell some to try to help pay for some of the food, but we can't raise the price on these eggs in Panama because Panamanians just don't have the money. And so, and the other Panama farms that do eggs, they just starve their chickens to get an egg. They know how much food has to be given to the chicken to get her to lay an egg, and they don't give her any more. Well, we like to spoil our chickens. We like to make them fat as turkeys. So we got a problem on our hands, and that is we're getting priced out of the ability to provide protein and eggs. So what do? We're getting creative, entrepreneurially creative. We are beginning now, starting tomorrow morning, we are going to reduce our food by 20%, the normal commercial food, and we're going to create our own using banana leaves, moringa leaves, spinach leaves, and kale leaves. These are the things that keep the yolk dark orange, keeps the chicken very healthy. And then we're going to check in the next couple of weeks and see, are we getting the same amount of eggs? Are the girls happy? And can we grow some of our own chicken food and reduce these crazy costs of inflation in the third world? So that's the goal. We're starting tomorrow. I just pulled our first big batch of moringa leaves. As you can see here, tons of moringa leaves. Moringa is the superfood that will save the world. It's great for humans. If you're not on moringa, you need to get on the powder or whatever. Moringa, vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, all the micronutrients you need, all the amino acids you need, and 26% protein. Protein is going to be important for the chickens. They need protein in order to produce eggs. And so this is the first caja or basket of moringa for tomorrow. Then we'll pull the banana leaves and start cutting them up. And the big goal, please pray for us, because the big goal is to be able to buy a $300 it's called a picadora machine. And with the picadora machine, we'll be able to cut, slice, dice just about anything. Our pumpkins, all of our trees, all of our grass, our herbs, we'll cut it down. It's like a great big lawnmower up in the air. And it will be awesome to have so we can create our own chicken food, mixing the kales, the moringa, pumpkin, all of the extra for the birds instead of using this crazy commercial stuff. The commercial stuff is killing the farmers, and we will not be killed. So the goal is to eventually be able to buy that picadora machine. And once we do that, we will be able to effectively really reduce our costs. It will be awesome. Thanks a lot. See you soon.